Good morning, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana on this site. I am coming up with my notes on differentiability. So, this differentiability can be at a point or it can be in a set. So, we shall be discussing both of them. Look here, the definition is like this. It is differentiability at a point. Let fx be a real valued function defined on an open interval AB such that C belongs to AB. Then fx is said to be differentiable or derivable at x is equal to C if and only if limit x goes to C fx minus fc over x minus c exists finitely. इसका मतलब है वैल्यू इसकी फाइनाइट आनी चाहिए. This is called derivative and f dash x is equal to fx minus fc over x minus c. Now this was at a point C. So we have discussed at a point C. Now let us go to in a set. Now definition is like this. A function fx defined on an open interval AB. Look here, this is the open interval AB. What does open interval means? We have not to take A, we have not to take B, but we have to take all the points between them. A से बड़े, B से छोटे, वो सारे पॉइंट्स आप ले सकते हैं इंटरवल में. It is open interval. It is if it is differentiable at each point of AB, it means that limit x goes to a plus, a से ज़्यादा, a plus, fx minus fa over x minus a, and b से कम, limit x goes to b minus, fx minus fb over x minus b. Basically, these are the slopes of the tangent. This is also the slope. Change in value of y over change in value of x. Here also change in value of y over change in value of x. Here also change in value of y over change in value of x. So these are basically the derivatives. So now let us go further. Let us see what is left hand derivative and right hand derivative. So definition of differentiability. A function fx is called differentiable at x is equal to 0 if right hand derivative at x is equal to 0 is equal to left hand derivative at x is equal to 0. Now look here, left hand derivative. LHD means left hand derivative. RHD means right hand derivative. So what is the left hand derivative? It will be, the interval is, a point is x0. On the right side of x0, it will be plus. x0 से ज़्यादा होगा. This is right hand side. And left hand side में क्या होगा? कम होगा. माइनस लगा देंगे. f dash x0. This is the left hand derivative. So we have to put minus sign. So we have defined it like this, and now we am writing it finally for you. This is limit h goes to 0. fx0 plus h minus fx0 over h. This is the right hand. You see, when we are adding, plus sign is there, तो पॉइंट x0 से दाईं तरफ हो जाएगा, राइट साइड हो जाएगा, So that is why it is called a right hand derivative. And in this case, it is denoted with f dash plus sign x0. Left hand derivative, this is with minus sign. Limit x goes to 0. We have to go to the left side of this. So minus करना पड़ेगा. So it will be limit h goes to 0 fx0 minus h minus fx0 over h. So this is left hand derivative. So right hand derivative must be equal to left hand derivative. Then the function is called differentiable. I hope you might have understood. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I hope if you understand all this, the differentiability, that is the derivatives, are going to be very, very easy. And I have lot of mnemonics with me which will help you in understanding the topic nicely. Keep on watching my videos regularly so that you are benefited. Thank you. God bless you. Share it among your friends and subscribe the video. Thanks.